Conditional sale is a traditional way to finance your car for a fixed monthly repayment. Once you've chosen a car, you can decide whether you want to finance the entire purchase price or put down a deposit. You then decide on the length of time you want to spread the repayment of the balance over, plus any interest. Your interest rate is fixed, so every month you'll pay the same amount. Once your repayments have been made, you own the car. And that's it. Conditional sale is a loan product that gives you fixed monthly repayments over your chosen period, and you also decide how much, if any, deposit you want to put down. As with all our finance products, there are no arrangement or purchase fees. If you'd like to know more about conditional sale, please speak to your dealer representative. Personal Contract Purchase, or PCP as it's known, is a flexible plan designed to help you change your car on a regular basis. With PCP, you have a number of elements to consider: the deposit, the annual mileage, the length of the agreement, and the optional final payment. You decide what level of deposit, if any, you want to put towards the purchase of the car. You also choose your repayment period. Finally, you set your anticipated annual mileage, and this, combined with your repayment period, will determine your optional final payment. Your interest rate is fixed, so all your monthly repayments are the same. At the end of the repayment period, you have 3 choices. You can hand the car back to us with nothing further to pay, providing the car hasn't exceeded the agreed mileage and is within fair wear and tear guidelines. You can pay the optional final payment and the car becomes yours. Or you can part exchange the car, using any equity over and above the optional final payment as deposit on your next car. So let's recap. A personal contract purchase plan gives you fixed monthly repayments, the option to include a deposit, and a choice of repayment periods. At the end of the agreement, you can either return the car with no further costs, providing the car hasn't exceeded the agreed mileage and is within fair wear and tear guidelines. You can pay the optional final payment and the car is yours, or part exchange it and use any equity as a deposit on your next car. As with all our finance products, there are no arrangement or purchase fees. If you'd like to know more about personal contract purchase, please speak to your dealer representative.